So this is the best watermark remover AI tool that you can use, completely AI and completely free. You don't have to do anything and you don't have to pay for anything. It's called iPhoto.ai, that's IFOTO.ai. So just go to this website real quick and test it out yourself. So, as you can see, there's this button that says clean up pictures now. When you tap on it, it's going to ask you to either take the photo from your photo library, or you can take the photo yourself like in real time, or simply tap on choose a file in your files. So this website can basically help you remove backgrounds, enhance photos, it can read copyright images, and you can be an AI fashion model. You can have a background for models, background for products, clothing recolor. As you can see, it turned from green to blue. It can clean up pictures and more. The watermark remover being one of them. So, how do you use this? How to remove an object from a photo free online? Well, you're going to want to upload your image, like I said, and tap on Remove Object. You can use the Remove button to seamlessly brush over any unwanted object, characters, or text. So, when you upload your photo, you simply swipe in like the watermark section. You're gonna want to draw on that with the remove button, which is pretty simple. Just simply draw over your watermarks, and once you do that, it's going to generate it, of course, and it's going to remove it completely. It really is that simple. It's going to remove the watermark after you brush on it, and you now have a watermarkless photo. So that's about it for this video. Once again, it's called iPhoto.ai, IFOTO.ai, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.